How to fix restricted monetization on your Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to first see why you have got restricted monetization. And after that, you need to make sure that you follow the guidelines of Facebook, as Facebook is quite strict when it comes to the guidelines. So go through the guidelines and also check why you got the restriction in the first place. You will see all the reasons when you open up the monetization tab. And after that, don't stop posting just because your monetization got restricted. This way Facebook will feel that they have given the right restriction to your account. Instead of that, post on regular basis and also go live if possible, at least 3 times in a month. This will give legitimacy to your account, and after that your restriction will go away on its own. And make sure to follow the guidelines, and this is the only way to get rid of the monetization restriction. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.